guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning my bathroom because guess what? I live with I live with a boy and I live with a man. So therefore that means that this bathroom can get nasty. So anyways, I have my favorite 4 products that I use in the bathroom. So I use this bleach, toilet bowl cleaner. This is like $1 or maybe $2 at Walmart. I use this Comet with bleach for the toilet and for the tub. This is $1 at the dollar store. I love my Fabuloso. I get it in every color. Luckily, this is the last bottle that I have. So I use this for literally the floors, the sinks, toilet, tub, you know it. And then we have our Laws Totally Awesome. This is a daily shower spray, but it works on the shower, the tub, sinks, and counters. It tells you on the back. Got this at the dollar store. I like the smell. It, doesn't clog up your throat or anything. I do keep a mask in the bathroom for when, using these chemicals. But anyways, let's deep clean it. like it even gets on, like she has a stool that she uses for, you know, like to stand up and brush her teeth. Like the dirt and all the dust runs along the bathroom, like even over here. And you're like, how? Just how? No matter how many times I clean this, it looks like that. So anyways, and then our house is so full of dust. I wonder if I can show you guys. Let me see. Super huge cleaning of the bathroom. I was able to put all the rest of my stuff away. I only left these out because I'm getting ready to do laundry. Under there looks good. Toilet looks good. I'm washing the cover to the toilet and underneath. Sink looks amazing. I'm gonna, do 2 videos on this later, so that's the only reason why they're out. Anyways, gonna need some more toilet paper. Just realized that this is where I'm going to get some chemicals today to clean this. This is on my nerves. I have to let those dry, and these are all extra body washes that we try to use before opening a new one. And then I have these out just in case I want to use those too when I do find the correct product later. But anyways, until then, letting things dry. Here's my giraffes and my elephant. You guys can't see my elephant. Here he is. There he is. All right, y'all, my biggest pet peeve of cleaning the bathroom is not the toilet. Believe it or not, it's not the toilet. It is this shower. I need some new products like ASAP. We have no window in the bathroom, as you can see. Like literally no window. You just have the mirror. You have the door to go back out, and you have the washer and dryer. So there's some like circulation in here, period. So which leads to like stains and tile. I've literally tried everything. So the current thing that I was trying was this bang I found at the dollar store. But I think that I need to go to Walmart and invest into something to, yep, I can see it right there. You guys can see it right here. And it's over here.